Welcome to this quick 3-minute walkthrough of the new Zoho One user experience. Let's explore how the redesigned interface helps you work faster and stay organized. We'll start with the top navigation bar. At the center, you can switch between the personal, organization, and sales workspaces. Each workspace adapts the apps and dashboards you see, helping you stay focused on the right tasks. On the left, you have quick access to commonly used Zoho apps like CRM, Mail, Calendar, Work Drive, Tasks, and Notes. Next, let's look at your home dashboard. Here you'll see key performance widgets including leads, deals, contacts, and tasks. These tiles give you an instant overview of your daily metrics. Just below them, your financial summaries, total payables and total receivables, show both current and overdue values for better cash flow awareness. Further down, sections like Events, Mentions, and Starred Messages keep you updated on upcoming activities and team interactions. You can customize your dashboard easily using the Edit Layout button to rearrange widgets, or Add Widget to bring in analytics, charts, counters, and other components. Now let's move to one of the biggest enhancements, the Spaces menu. Clicking the Spaces icon shows all departmental workspaces such as HR, Marketing, Finance, IT, Services, and Legal. Each space brings together the apps, dashboards, and tools relevant to that team, making cross-department work smoother. Administrators can also create a new space or manage existing spaces right from this menu. Another powerful addition is the Tools panel. You can open it by clicking the Tools icon in the top bar. This slides out a right-side panel that displays all your essential apps and utilities. Under My Tools, you'll find apps like Meeting, Writer, Show, Sheets, Forms, Sales IQ, Bookings, Assist, and more. You can quickly search for any app or explore items under Unassigned Tools to customize your workspace further. At the bottom, you'll find helpful links to explore Zoho's mobile apps or install browser extensions for enhanced productivity. Finally, at the bottom of your screen, the Quick Access bar gives you instant navigation to Home, Analytics, Applications, Settings, and Smart Chat. And on the bottom right, the support and feedback options help you get assistance or share suggestions anytime. That's your fast tour of the new Zoho One UX. With a cleaner layout, customizable dashboards, flexible spaces, and a powerful centralized tools panel, Zoho One makes it easier than ever to manage your workday. Thank you for watching. Your idea deserves a clear path forward. Share your vision with us, and we'll create the next step workflow to help make it a reality. DM us or comment now. We will provide this in 1 hour.